Imagine. New kinds of universities. Universities where you can learn, teach, research and cooperate like never before. Imagine a pioneering vision. A vision shared by groups of universities from all over Europe. Driving innovative ways of learning and inspiring cutting-edge research. This is happening right here, right now. Over 100 higher education institutions from all over Europe are coming together to form European universities. A unique opportunity for you to design your own curriculum across disciplines, borders, cultures and languages, and build the specific skills you will need for your future. Imagine students, teachers, researchers, companies and cities working together to tackle society's greatest challenges, transforming higher education in Europe. These are the universities of the future. These are European universities. Now, just imagine being a part of it. Funded by Erasmus+.